Today I am going to explain setter injection with a dependency object example. Employee as a address. The address class object will be termed as the dependency object. Let's see the address class. Now this is address class. Here we are going to create in Anypad Studio setter getters methods. Same way employee class as a address. The address we are configure here. See here, this is address address being configurational. Here employee being configurational. See here property is address as a employee as a address. Here we are configure. Same example we are going to implement in Anypaint Studio. My Anypaint Studio, here there is address in this setter injections there. What I am going to do, I am going to comment this entire code again. Control/. Okay, I commented. Again I am going to give same address properties. Where is go up, where is here string address line city and country. Okay, just I am going to copy this few things and paste in Anypaint Studio. Here just save it, go source and generate getter setters. Okay, now I am going to create select all and getter setters. Now the getter setters created. Okay, what happened? Dot, otherwise I am going to delete this. Okay, now deleted. Here I have to give slash. Okay, now it is okay. This way we are completed. Okay, what happened here? Country setter method, one braces is missing, copy paste time. Now it is okay. Now yeah, this is address class we created setter getters. Same way we have employee. In this employee I am going to configure one more class, address private. Address, same I am giving a reference. Okay, already address is there. Okay, address reference there. Okay, here he created I think address. Okay, now I am going to create these are set name string. Now I am going to create address setters. Now right click, just go save all. Okay, go source, generate getter setters. Already created. Okay, now I am going to see already created or not. Find it. See here address constructor is created. Okay, what I am going to do, I am going to okay, leave it. Okay, I am going to try to save it. Setter getters. See here address. Okay, now I am going to create getter setters. See here. Now I created in employee class also same getters. Otherwise just you can copy and paste this code, it will work. See here, these all are values, id, name, address. Same way we also going to use id, name, address. Where is id, name, address? Okay, we don't want city. Okay, first I'm going to city comment. Same way I'm going to delete this city. Okay, now deleted. Again here display city. Okay, display city instead of I'm going to give address. Okay, now address. Just I am going to see name and address is next class. Sys.out. Next line I am going to give this address. Okay, what I am going to do, next line SYSOUT sys out. Okay, now I'm going to use the address. Now address we are going to configure bean. Okay, just I am going to copy this bean, 2 beans. Okay, we are going to, otherwise we can configure manually. Okay, employee, there is no property for city. Okay, this I am going to remove property. Okay, here I am going to configure same property address class. Just copy and paste here address, address address. Here I am going to give address class name. Okay, address answer. Here I done wrongly. Here this is address. In this address I have to create setter getters. Sorry for. Okay, see here, select all. Okay, now I created setter getters, address, city, state, line. Okay, good. Answer, by mistake I done all changes in answer class. Okay, this is answer class. We use the Ctrl Z address. Now we are going to configure address. Here first name is address line. Address line, what is given address line. Okay, otherwise just I am going to copy paste these all are values. Sorry for disturb. address. Okay, now I am going to use reference, property name and reference. Same way here, property address and ref. ADDRESS address. Now already employee is configured in employee class. Now I am going to run employee test class. Here test class already I am configured employee. Just I am going to right click, just run Java application. Okay, save it. Okay, it's showing something error. Okay, employee dependency class path. Okay, yes, I'm going to try to understand. Okay, address, class path address cannot instant, no default constructor. Address int, address unit. I'm going to no such exception, no default constructor found. Okay, I think here default constructor. Now something is gone wrong. I try to fix it again. Okay, now see default constructor. Okay, this is my ID name and this is address UP India. This way we are completed setter dependency object. Setter injection dependency object. Setter injection with a dependency object. Now we will see next topic. Okay, this way we are completed. Oh, what's wrong with here? Just I am going to configure address. Here any address is configured. I am going to check. Address line employee address. This is a constructor. Okay, oh, we are calling a constructor also this class. That's why it's showing the error. Okay, now we will check again. There is no need to default constructor also. Okay, just run it again test class. Maybe I am going to check again it will display or not. Why? Because in our Java application just I am running. Okay, now see default constructor is something is displaying. Okay, oh, defined constructor. Okay, this way we are completed. Next topic we will see setter injection with collection examples. Next video I am going to explain setter injection